Good afternoon, students. So today also we are happy with see you, and I think you will be energetic and you will be eagerly waiting for this new chapter. And the chapter name is here coordinate geometry. So in this chapter we will learn what is the position of the points and how can we use graph paper and how can we plot a graph over the paper and how can we understand about the planes. So our first topic is here coordinate geometry. So definition of the coordinate geometry is already here: a system of the geometry where the position of the points on the plane is described using an ordered pair of numbers. It means you need to find out the exact position of the coordinates, and for them you need to understand about the axes and how many types of the axes are here, and you already learned in your previous class about the axes. And let's see the next one. So founder of coordinate geometry is here René Descartes. So René Descartes is a French mathematician who described this coordinate geometry. Coordinate plane. So next one is coordinate plane. So coordinate plane, it means a simple plane, and that is called a coordinate plane. Okay, where you will get axes. So x-axis and the y-axis. If the x-axis and the y-axis are there, so that type of the plane are called coordinate planes. It has the two scales. You can see on the screen the two scales are mentioned here. One is a x-axis and second is a y-axis. Okay, you can see the horizontal line, you can easily understood it. It is your x-axis and the vertical line is called y-axis, and the midpoint where they will intersect to each other, that is your origin point. Origin point where the coordinate of x and y will be 0. Okay, so on the y-axis the value of the origin are the positive and those below are negative. If you will go upward from the origin, then you will get the positive values, and if you will go downwards from the origin, so you will get the negative values. Same thing is here also with x-axis. If you will move from right hand side, then you will get the positive value, and if you will move from negative, it means you move from left hand side, then you will get negative values. You can see on the screen easily, everything is you can see on the screen. Next one is here quadrants. So how many quadrants? The first question is raised here: how many quadrants? So I hope you people will know. Yes, is the four quadrants are here. You can see on the screen the first, second, third, and fourth. So four quadrants are here. The first quadrant, the values will be positive. In the second quadrant, the first value will be negative and the second value will be positive. First value, it means the x value. You will consider first value as a x and the second value will be y. Okay, now the third, in the third quadrant you will get both values will be in negative. In the fourth one you will get the first value in a positive and the second value will be in negative. Okay, so overall we have four quadrants and the four quadrants have the different values, and this quadrant is a very important, and you will get the questions based on this in higher classes. Also in a trigonometry you will also use such type of the quadrants. Okay, next one, abscissa, this which is called the abscissa, and which points, which axes are called as the abscissa. So coordinate x coordinates of a point are called abscissa. Clear? So you can also say that the distance along the horizontal axis. Okay. Next is here ordinate. Ordinate it means y coordinate of a point on the coordinate plane. Its distance from the x-axis measured parallel to the y-axis. So if you will write the coordinate of y, so that is called the ordinate, and coordinate of x is known as abscissa. Clear? So now ready with your questions and ready with your answers. I will show you some questions here. So first question is here, how many quadrants are there? So first option is here 3 quadrants, 4 quadrants, 7 quadrants, 6 quadrants. Whatever the correct answer, you will comment it and you will give your answer. Second is -1 and 0 lies in which quadrant? You need to tell -1 and 0 which is lies in which quadrant. You need to tell the quadrant name. This first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, like this. You need to tell. Okay. Next one is here. You need to locate the position of these points. The coordinates are given here -3, 2, -1.5 lies on which axis. You need to tell these points. You need to tell the exact position of these points. And all the things you will tell me on the comments. I want your comments. Your answer should be there. I want to see your answers on the comment section. And you can take a help from the figures also. The figures is easily formed for you, and you can easily identify the value of -3 and 1 and value of 2, 3, and whatever the next one is given here, you need to tell. Next question is here, find the ordinate in -3 and -2. So you need to tell what is the correct one. If the coordinates are here -3 comma -2, so you need to tell ordinates of the coordinates. So I hope you are giving your correct answer. So all the answers you will type and you give me your answers in comment section. So next one is here, find the abscissa in the -3 and -2. Abscissa you know, ordinate you already know, so you will tell. So the value of abscissa, and also you will tell me the this value will lie in which quadrant. You need to tell the name of that quadrant, the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, or fourth quadrant. You need to tell me in this particular question. Okay, I think you all giving your answer and hope your answers will be correct. So thank you very much. Today is your chapter coordinate geometry. This is a simple overview of this chapter, and we will see our exercise later. Thank you, class.